Hello, my lovely students. I am Kritika, your English educator. As you know, that today we are doing Fables and the Folktales, which is Unit 1, and the chapter A Bottle of Dew. Now, till now, in the previous videos, what we have done? We have done the reading and explanation of the chapter, and we have understood that how Sage helped Ramanatha to get the magic potion. So basically, to understand that there is nothing as magic potion, but actually you have to work hard to achieve success. So he actually saved him from the tricky people, the people who cheated on him and actually made him learn the importance of hard work. Okay, so now in today's video, today we'll be continuing with the question and answers of the chapter. So we'll discuss the question answers. I'm going to read the question for you and then we'll discuss the answer together. So let's get into the question answers. Question number 1 is what did Ramanatha believe? Ramanatha believed onto something. What was that? He believed that there is something called magic potion. So what can the answer be? Ramanatha believed there was a magic potion that could turn any object into gold. Ramanatha believed that there is something called magic potion which exists, and if he's going to sprinkle that on anything, that anything get converted into or will get converted into gold object. It will get converted into a gold object. Okay. Now, question number 2. How did the sage help Ramanatha? See, after he met the sage, he realized something. What was that? Sage actually helped him to understand the importance of hard work. See, there is nothing known as a magic potion. So, you actually have to work hard if you want to achieve something in life. That's what Sage made him understand. How we are going to frame it into an answer? See, the sage tricked Ramanatha. See, now this was a positive tricking into working hard on his land by asking him to plant banana plants, which helped him create wealth. Wealth means to make money. What is the meaning of wealth? To make money through farming and teamwork with his wife. So he made him understand that you have to work hard. You have to work really hard if you want to achieve something in life, if you want to earn a lot of money, if you want to be a successful rich person. And so made him understand that if you're going to team up with your wife, team up means to work together. So he told him that if you're going to work together with your wife, you're definitely going to achieve success and you'll be a wealthy person, means you'll be a rich person. Okay, let's move on to question number 3. Do you think Ramanatha will be able to collect the dew? Give a reason. So, do you think that Ramanatha will be able to collect the dew? See, I think that Ramanatha will be able to collect the dew is why? Because he was determined that I have to get the magic potion. I have to make everything into gold. I want to become a rich person, and so he was very determined that I have to do it. And when you're determined about something that I have to do it or I definitely will do it, you actually are able to do it. So, in the same way, Ramanatha was determined. Let's find out the answer. Yes, Ramanatha will be able to collect the dew because he is determined and ready to follow the sage's instruction. See, because he was determined, he just wanted a right person to help him to get what he wants. So, Sage was the right person according to him. So, he was following all the instructions which Sage was giving him. Okay? He is also planting many banana trees to speed up the process and carefully tending to them over the years. And as Sage told him to do, he was actually planting a lot of banana plants so he can do the or what we can say is he can actually make the work go faster, or the process will go faster. And he took care of the plants himself, he tended them, and so we know that he will be able to collect that dew, or he'll be able to collect 5 liters of dew. Okay, moving on to the next question. Why was Ramanatha angry? See, at one point in the story, he gets angry. Remember? So he got angry because when he sprinkled that dew drop, when he sprinkled according to which he had a magic potion, when he sprinkled that magic potion on a copper vessel, it did not convert into gold. Then what happened? That made him angry. See, he was actually looking for that magic potion for a longer period of time, and he actually worked hard for that. But when he finally did not get that magic potion, he got angry because he thought that he wasted 6 years of his life. Let's find out the proper answer. Ramanatha was angry because the potion did not turn the copper vessel into gold, and he felt he had wasted 6 years of his life. Okay, understood? Shall we move on to the next question? Let's go on. How did Ramanatha and Madhumati create wealth? See, whatever wealth they created, the gold coins box which they had was actually not just the hard work of Ramanatha but also his wives. So they basically teamed up. They together came together. They both came together. One worked hard on the fields, other worked hard selling those fruits in the market. So that's how they teamed up and they together made the money and they became the wealthy people. Okay, let's do the answer. Ramanatha and Madhumati created wealth by working hard on their land. They planted banana trees, tended to them, and sold the fruits. Okay, so what did they do? They worked hard on the land, they planted a lot of banana plants, they took care of the plants properly. Okay, and then they sold the fruits in the market as well. So that's how they were able to get a lot of money, be successful, and become wealthy people. Right? Moving on to the next question. Now, answer the following questions. Again, we'll have the questions only. We'll discuss the answer. What did the sage ask Ramanatha to do to make the magic potion? So, you all know the whole process. He asked him to plant banana plants. Then, in the winter season, when there'll be a dew drop on the banana plant, he had to collect the dew drop. And finally, when he'll be able to collect 5 liters of dew, then he's going to take it to the sage. The sage is going to convert it into a magic potion by chanting some mantra on it, right? So this was the process. Let's do the answer. The sage asked Ramanatha to plant a banana plant and water it and collect 5 liters of dew. Correct? Let's move on to next question. Why did Sage ask Ramanatha to do everything himself? See, we need to understand he wanted to make Ramanatha understand the importance of hard work. If suppose he wouldn't have tell this to Ramanatha to do the work himself, Ramanatha would have hired somebody. Then he will not be able to understand the importance of hard work. This is what Sage thought. So he told Ramanatha that you have to take care of all the plants by yourself so that he actually understands the value of hard work. Correct? Let's do the answer. The sage wanted to teach a lesson of hard work to Ramanatha. Okay, let's move on to the next question. How could Ramanatha have a big banana plantation after 6 years? After 6 years, he had huge banana plantation. How did that happen? So that happened because of the hard work that they both did on the land. Who both? Ramanatha and his wife. They were working really, really hard. Although the purpose of Ramanatha for doing that was something else. But at the end of 6 years, he finally had a huge plantation of banana plant. Got it? Okay. Ramanatha have a big banana plantation after 6 years by working hard, planting more trees and taking care of them. So that's how at the end of 6 years, he finally had a huge banana plantation. Okay, moving on to the next question. How did the sage make Ramanatha believe that there is no magic potion? So finally, when Ramanatha got angry that I wasted 6 years of my life, then actually Mahipati, he came up to him, he called Madhumati, he told him, see, you need to understand there is nothing as magic potion. Whatever you're going to achieve or whatever you have achieved till now or the big plantation that you have or the box full of gold coins that you have is actually the fruit of your hard work, but not any magic potion. So for that, he tricked Ramanathan, which later he revealed that to make you understand, I did all these things. Okay, the answer is the sage revealed to Ramanatha that the wealth he accumulated was due to his hard work and that the dews did not have any magical properties. That there was no magical property in the dew, but it was all the money that you've all gathered, accumulated, matlab ikhatta karna. So the money, the gold coins, the popularity, the success that you all achieved, that you have accumulated is actually the fruit of your hard work. But magical properties were not there in the dew. Okay? Okay. Let's move on. Fill in the before and after table about Ramanatha. See, Ramanatha was a different person before Ramanatha met Sage, and later he did something else when Sage told him. So, what happened before and what happened after? That we are going to write. Okay. See, he believed in magic potion. That was before. This all happened before. Okay. And these all happened after he met the sage. Okay, so before he met the sage, he believed in magic potion and he spent a lot of money on tricky. But see, what is the meaning of tricky here? Tricky here means the people who cheated on Ramanatha, correct? Now, what happened after he met the sage? He started planting banana plants. That was the first job that sage asked him to do. Okay, and the other thing that he did was he worked hard on the plantation. So before he met sage, he actually did not go to his land at all, which his father left him. But finally, because he was following the instructions of the sage, he went on the land and he worked hard on the land. Okay, so here we are done with the question answers, and now next we'll be doing the back exercises of our chapter. We have a lot of fill-ups, lot of activities. We'll be doing all those activities in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.